Hello friends and welcome to What's Logic. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create a game. Friends, before that I want to tell you that What's Logic is a new channel on YouTube, so you can subscribe it, and it promises you that it will always give you the best content it can. So friends, now let's start. So first of all, friends, I want to tell you that before creating a game you should need some kind of programming language like C++, Java or C Sharp, any one of the given. And friends, you should know that what kind of game are you trying to create. Is it 2D, 2.5D, or 3D? And the next thing which you should know is what is your targeted platform, like Android, Windows, Microsoft Windows, and more than that, friends. And friends, the best method which I recommend you to use is using a game engine. So friend, what is a game engine? Friends, here it is given: a game engine software development environment designed for building people to build video games. So friends, actually game engine is a software built by any company, which allows you to create your game very easily, and it allows you to render your graphics, your game graphics, very at very high level, and it allows you to create, friends, a game only once, but deploy it on most of the platforms it allows. So like if you are using Unreal Engine, then it allows most of the platforms like Android, Windows, Linux, and all those. So friends, game engines like that. And I hope that you understand what is a game engine. So now let's take a look at top game engines which are there available in the market. Friends, here's the Unity at the top, CryEngine, Game Maker Studio, HTML, Go dot source. Friends, actually HTML is not a game engine, but it's language, programming language. Game Maker Studio is actually a game engine. So here's list of game engines by Wikipedia, but I won't go to that because that's not top game engines. Here it is top game engines in 2018. And actually friends, top game engines which I really recommend use Unreal Engine, Unity, Gmonkey, and I will tell you something a little bit about all of them which is available there. So friend, game engines, here what I said: Unreal Engine. So friends, Unreal Engine is the best graphics engine which has been praised for its graphics. Here you can see in the window that Unreal Engine is the best graphic rendering company available, and I really recommend if you have knowledge of C++, and that will allow you to create the most realistic games available in the market. So it is the best technology in and it has tutorials for beginners, and it will help, their community will help you to get started with Unreal Engine. So that's the first engine, and it uses, friends, C++, as I told you, C++. So you should have developer is Epic Games. It allows platforms like Windows and all those available here: Android, iOS, Linux, Mac, and Windows. The maximum platforms are available here, friends, for games. And customers, these are the customers of the engine. You can see Ubisoft, Activision, the most two companies which actually create the best games available in the market, uses Unreal Engine. So that's what the value of Unreal Engine, you can say. And it's actually free engine, friends. That's the best thing available for Unreal Engine. It's a free engine in the market, free to use, you can see here. But 5% of royalty on gross revenue, first $3,000 per product. So friends, if you reach at the level of $3,000, it will cost 5% for royalty on gross revenue. So that's what the bad thing. But actually I don't think that one game that is not very best will reach $3,000 easily, because that's a large value, that's large amount. So actually and after you reach $3,000, that's not 5% doesn't matter to you, because to start up with, Unreal Engine is the best for you. So that's what I recommend. The next one is Unity, which I actually use, friends. This is the engine which I use, and which I am now using also. And it has three versions: free for personal use, paid plans for $35 per month, $35 per month, and it has four plans, friends. The next plan after which here it comes is $135 per month, and that's personal pro plan. And after that it comes with actually I think that's for big studios which create games. So you will have to contact to Unity Engine developers. So Unity developer is Unity Technologies, and the platform it supports is, friends, Windows, and more. So you can read it here, it's a large list. And then customers, so Electronic Arts, these are the customer: Lego, Ubisoft, Square Enix. I think just cost 2 and 3 they created. and these are the games created by it: Pokemon Go, Super Mario Run, Angry Birds 2, Wasteland 2, and more. So Angry Birds 2 was the famous game from it, and Pokemon Go, I think that this game caused many accidents on the road, so that's one. And this is the Godot engine, friends. This is also a better engine. Oh friends, actually I forgot to tell you about that, what language this engine uses. It uses C# and JavaScript. So you should have at least knowledge of C# or JavaScript to start with Unity, and it has many tutorials on internet, so you can follow along with it very easily, as it has very much beginner tutorials on the internet. So that's what Unity engine had. Godot engine, I don't recommend it better, but it might be better, friends. I don't think, because I don't have listened to it very much. CryEngine, friends. CryEngine is the best engine. Like it is also in it's also like Unreal Engine here, available here, but the problem it has is, friends, membership starts at $50 per month. So that's what problem with it. And developer is Crytek, and you can have these platforms available here. And the customers are its customers are um, Popper Most Productions, CI Games, Obsidian Game Entertainment, and all those others. So the top games are Far Cry, which I this is the most famous game, which I don't think that it won't be favorite of you, because it's favorite of mine. So Sniper, Ghost Warrior 2, and all these games are created by CryEngine. And this engine, friends, uses, I think, C++ or C#. So you should have at least knowledge of C++ to start with CryEngine. The next engine is Marmalade SDK. I don't think that's better. App Game Kit, not better. Cocoa Studio, yes friends, if you are trying to create 2D or 2.5D game, so that's the best engine available for you, because Cocoa Studio is an engine which has 2.5D availability, and pricing is free. The engine is fully free for you. It has MIT license, and it has many targeted platforms also, friends. It has iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and it uses, friends, I think, let me check it here, because it's a famous engine available in the market. What language does Cocoa Studio uses? So friend, it uses Python 2.3 or ABAP, C++, and Objective-C, JavaScript. It also uses JavaScript, friends. So you can use any of the language. So that's what the top engines which were available in the market, and you can use any of them. Let me show you Unity, because I have installed on this system. So let me open it here. And friends, I was creating a game with Unity, so I will show you a little bit package of it. So its name is Roller, available here. Let's open, because it's engine, so it's a little bit heavy. let let system load it, because um, you can understand it's a game engine, friends. So it's heavy a little bit. It's loading up, it takes time, and here it loaded up. So friends, you can see here it's given Android, and it's for Android actually, and DirectX 11 DX9 GPU. So here it is, which I was going, this is the game which I was trying to create, and actually it's not complete, it's not fully complete. So, and friends, this engine uses C#. So this is the coding, some coding from the game. Here you can see I've used C# here. So that's what a game engine looks like. I think that you would have understood till now. So friends, thanks for watching What's Logic, this video, that how you can create a game, and I think I will see you in next tutorial. Bye.